My next upload for today is with regard to the issue of crime prevention in a democracy, and also with regard to the matter of gun safety in modern society, and the issue of individuals that are of offences against an innocent mother and child that have obstructed justice. I'm just raising the concern for women with regard to crime prevention and how safeguarding ourselves can sometimes be quite challenging. The issue of a collective that have canvassed, campaigned and perverted the course of justice, and that have been short-minded or absent-minded of the reality, brings to light the lack of gratitude for some people that have no respect for human life. The issue that I'm raising is the exploitation also that is occurring in a modern democracy, and not just the exploitation, but the gains that people have been making from other people's lives that are being disrespected. So some people in society obviously have a carefree, nonchalant attitude about the effects of their damages and bad behaviours on other people's lives. Some people don't think of the consequences, and that's really unfortunate. So this evening, as I'm here in the conditions that I'm tolerating, 3 years on, since all the relevant authorities were made aware of all the wrongdoings that were collectively orchestrated against my child and I'm really concerned about the level of safeguarding and prioritization of mothers and children in society. Progress is all very positive, but when people forget the origins of the progress, and when people are disingenuous and forgetful and disrespectful, it doesn't really sow proper good seeds for proper further progress. So this evening I'm just relaying an incident of awful wrongdoings of very disrespectful people that are in my hometown, and causing the most serious problems to an innocent child since he was 2 years of age. That child is my son, and there are people that have been really careless about how reality is and how their bad behaviours impact future realities and future generations. So it's really disappointing that the relevant agencies and bodies have disrespected my good work. It's really serious that there has been such extensive wealth theft from me. It's really serious that my health has been damaged in the age of NPHET in particular. I might emphasise that in particular. It's very disappointing that honourability isn't highlighting as a prevalent factor in this matter, and that basic gutter mentality of just displace or dispose of is only the conclusion or objective of some people that have no respect for how progress has developed. And progress has been very positive for some people, especially since 2018, and they don't seem to have any regard for the progress that has been made. So that's really disappointing. So as I've documented this documentary is a sad sign of the times. It's very disrespectful that my child's upbringing has been disrupted and disturbed by individuals that have no qualifications, no credibility, no respect for confidentiality, and that are liabilities basically to other people's lives with the deaths, damages, harms and losses that they've recklessly caused. So as a humanitarian with a royal title and automatic state protection that hasn't been furnished with the relevant information that I'm entitled to due to these factors in society being of obstruction and attempting to impose upon my identity, it's really disappointing that honourability isn't present in this entire charade. It's quite dangerous as well. So this is just for women, professional, qualified, adult, mature women that are aware of the dangers of what has occurred in Tralee, County Kerry, Ireland due to liabilities in society.